Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to solve one challenge which is Arithmetic Operator under the Python on the platform HackerRank. So it is very simple problem statement. So what we need to do, we need to take two integers and then we need to perform these three tasks. So the first task is that we need to add these two numbers. Then the second task is we need to subtract first number from the second, and the last task is we need to provide the multiplication of these two numbers. Here you can see one example, and there are some constraints given on this a and b number. So a should be greater than equal to 1 and a should be less than equal to 10 to the power 10. Same for b. So it is very easy problem and we'll see how to solve this problem. And here is the solution. So first we are taking input from user and we are converting data type of that input to integer to perform arithmetic operations. Then we are using arithmetic operators. Then we are also using relational operators to perform this task. So first we are putting the constraint on the a and b, that is a should be greater than equal to 1 and a should less than equal to 10 to the power 10. This is the power operator, and if this condition for a and b is satisfied, then only we are performing these three tasks. That is, first we need to add these two numbers, then subtract these two numbers, and at the end multiply these two numbers. So when we run this, all the test cases will be satisfied. Thank you everyone.